Namaste. Day number 2 or week number 2. It's all good. Let's continue to build the yoga foundation and deepen your relaxation. Now, welcome to day number 2 of the yoga challenge, and it's all about gentle flow yoga. Remember, the goal of this yoga challenge is to make it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. We're going to start with gentle poses again and focus on alignment and of course our breath. Some beginners may find it stiff themselves, and that's completely okay. It is important and remember that everyone has to start somewhere, as well as you gotta listen and focus into your body. Let's try 3 more poses today. Now day 2 is a little bit more active. We'll be standing for the first 2. The first one is your warrior 1 pose. So I'll just show you the front profile. Bring your feet about hip distance apart. We're just going to step 1 foot back and press the back heel down. So that's the important part, the difference between your lunges. Front heel, back heel, press to the ground. You're going to feel a nice stretch down the hamstrings and the calves right away. If this is too much to hold on to, just have your hands on your knees to begin with. The front knee just bend slightly. You don't have to bend fully, just a slight bend, keeping it in line with the toes. And the hips, we're trying not to turn it to the side. We're going to turn it forwards. So it is like a lunging position. We don't need to bring the hands in. You can just rest your hands by the hips, allowing the hands to guide the hips forwards. Just show it to your front profile. And I want you to breathe in to zip the belly up. You're going to feel a nice stretch down the hips right away, the back hip. And then on your out breath, I just want you to relax the shoulders and the neck and the jaw, having your hands here. So taking a breath in, tight here to protect the lower back as well. Exhale, upper body releasing down. Yeah, you're going to feel lots of heat on this leg. It's kind of strengthening, it's the strengthening phase. The back leg is pretty much a stretch phase, an active stretch. So take a couple of breaths more. Inhale. Exhale, relax and release the upper shoulders. 1 more breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Switching sides, so a little quicker on this side. Feet hip width apart. Stepping back, press the heels. Pressing down, front knee slightly bent. Turn the hips. Breathe in, pull tall. Breathe out, relax confidently. Again, breathing in and out. 1 more inhale. And then on the exhale, maybe the hips drop a little. And release. And next up is your tree pose. You don't even need a mat for this one. Tree pose is where we bring 1 knee out. You can bring your feet on the floor, both feet, or you can lift that foot slightly higher or a little higher. So 3 options here. Hands either out here to balance yourself, or you can hug yourself, or you just bring your palms together and bring it to the heart center, because we're going to focus our breath through the heart and massage it. So staying here, breathing in and out. If you want more, inhale and exhale. Just steady your eye gaze on something still on the floor if you want to keep lifting your heels higher. So last breath in and last breath out. Switching sides. Anchor the heel down, turn the right leg out, bringing the feet down or bringing it a little higher now that you know where you're going. Breathing in, pull yourself tall like you're growing into a tree, shooting the leaves out. On the out breath, we're also growing down into the ground, into the roots. 1 more breath in. If you want to adjust, feel free. And then breathing in. And relax the upper body, shoulders, neck, jaw, down. Slowly release. 1 more, it's a back bend. So we're just going to lie down on the floor or bed or cupboard. Facing forwards. Draw your hands to the ribs, feet is down. We ideally want to look downwards and tuck our chin in, keeping the neck in line slightly with the spine. Then as you breathe in, we're lifting the chest as high as we can and exhaling the elbows in and back. So ideally you're using the back muscles and you're really light on your hands. Take one breath in and one breath out. Then on your last breath, feel free to lift or use the breath to lift the body a little higher. Then on the out breath, we're just going to release the whole body down to the ground. Relax the hands. Give yourself a moment before you pick yourself up. And to end the session is a little short meditation. So you're more than welcome to lie on your back or stay seated. If you find that you're sleepy today, try to stay seated. You may cross your legs or lean against the wall. Feel comfortable just sitting here. Close your eyes and adjust your upper body. And just find your breath. Now take this moment to let go and release of anything you don't need. You can try that with the out breath. So on the in breath, maybe invite those thoughts. On the out breath, give it a release, let them fade for now, just for now. Do that again. Just leave everything away and out of here so you come to this present moment, feeling the presence of yourself, allowing the breath to connect the mind back to the body. And if there's any stiffness in the body, same thing, use the out breath. So on the inhale, just guide your thoughts to that area. On the out breath, allow that area to release. And then just giving yourself a couple of breaths here. Maybe deeper. And you may open your eyes. And that is the end of our day 2 flow. Great work! How does it feel? And remember, I'm always going to tell you, consistency is key. Either it's day after day, week after week, just keep practicing those poses and you'll see improvements in flexibility, even strength now that I put in a strength-ish pose, and your overall well-being, because we've got breath, we've got physical body, we've got mental thoughts and feelings. But how does it feel? 2 days. Share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for day number 3 or week number 3 in our challenge. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.